So that is the look. This is how it looks. Hey everyone, my name is Blair. Welcome back to my channel. I just got done blow drying my hair and I am going to section off this top half really quickly. And I'm not going to take much from the back at all, just mainly on top, if you guys can see. And I am just going to save this for later. Oh, just trying to make sure it's out of my face. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, much better. And I absolutely love this. Here is the on and off switch, and then here's the dial. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to take a section on this side of my head, just start curling outward, and I'm going to try to keep this as close, keep the barrel as close to my roots as possible because I want that lift and that volume. And that is how we achieve it. So I'm going to keep feeding the hair through the barrel. And you need to be careful, make sure you don't burn yourself. And then I'm just going to take another section. And again, I'm going to leave the barrel towards the root of my hair and just feed my hair through the barrel. And when I do this, I'm checking to see how hot my hair is getting. So that is able to tell me if I need to feed the hair through the barrel more quickly, or if I'm, doing fine, or if I need to slow down. So if I touch it and it's cool and it's not heating up as quickly as I want to go, I just go ahead and turn up that dial a little higher. So for this whole side, we're just going to be curling outwards this way, away from the face. Okay, so I zoomed the camera in a little more so you can see better, but I already did this piece right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take the piece behind it and do exactly what I just did with that one. So I am going to just take the barrel, and again, still keeping it at the root so we can get that lift and that volume, and we're just feeding the hair through the barrel and we're curling outward still. just still outward, away from the face. Now I'm just gonna take that top part and I am just gonna brush it out again. And then I am going to take the back of my hair. I'm gonna take a section right here, just like that. And I'm gonna curl this. Put the curling iron under it like this and just curl it back like this. Curl formed and just nice and rolled up right here. And I'm going to get one of these clips, just one of these hair clips, and just put it in to hold it in place while it cools. I'm going to get another one. This one's a shorter one. All right, so that part is done. So now I'm going to get this section and just part it down the middle because that is where I like to part my hair. And I'm going to move that hair to the back so it doesn't get mixed up with the hair that I have out here. And I'm going to curl it like this, like not totally horizontal on top of my head, but not vertical either. I'm just going to keep it like this the whole time. All right, and we are going to do the same thing to this side. Just go ahead and get a little section, and we're going to curl that the same way we did on this side, but mirrored to this side. So we're going to be curling outwards. We're just doing the same thing to these front two pieces as well. All right, so we're gonna let these curls cool and I'll be back. All right, I'm back and it's time to take this top of our hair down. So I'm just going to take these clips out very carefully because, you know, you don't want to pull the strands of your hair because if you're like me, it's probably tangled up here. But I always start with the back first because that is the first one we did. So that is going to be the one that is the coolest. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this one. Careful with the little hairs. Sometimes after I take down these two front pieces, they just don't sit the way I want them to. So I do still have my curling iron on just in case I need to recurl them. But that's not all the time. Most of the time I'm just fine to go. But you know, it just all depends on how I curled it and how it is sitting. Don't know if I like this piece. I'm not sure. Maybe let me flip my hair upside down and back up and let's see. Okay, let's see if that helped anything. All right, so that seemed to help. But anyways, if your hair didn't come out exactly the way you want it, just, you know, touch up those pieces because a lot of the times it will look absolutely amazing after. Sometimes there'll be like a little piece that's just crazy and sometimes there won't, but I will just take my curling iron and just, you know, curl it down wherever that piece is sticking out at and it's fine. But I just wanted to show you guys this finished look and I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.